Hello everyone, I'm Vishesh Shwabhuv, and now we are starting with the lab 876, the lab 6 lab, that is AI cricket chatbot. So what is this? An AI cricket chatbot is we are going to, alright, this is what we are going to do, cricket chatbot, all the cricket lovers, and also there's a football part, so you can use that also. So okay, AI cricket chatbot, I love cricket, so I am eager to see what it does. So I click start lab, and click I'm not a robot, and we just click this. Okay, so now let us see what it does for us. Okay, now we have done this, and it will take some time to give us the access of the lab, so that is something that we need to wait for. So I'll have to wait for 9 minutes until I get this access. Okay, so I'll wait, and then I'll fast forward the video. Alright, so it took 10 minutes, but it has now loaded for me. So I went around and just skimmed and just was doing some other things. So you can do that, and now when I've got it, I click copy, and then I'll click paste. So this should run an app for me. So what are we going to do here? So we need to understand what is Vertex AI and what is generative AI models, which we've already done. And if you still have any doubts, be sure to leave a comment. I'll do that again. But now when we are here, you can see what are the things it says. Alright, we are making a Gen AI chat. So we are chatting with different, let me just bring it here. So we're chatting with different applications and seeing what they actually mean. That's good. But here we are in what really interested in is cricket. So you can read all of this, but what we are doing is we are training it on some data, and then we are asking it some questions, and it is giving back some responses. So that is interesting, right? Okay, so we need to click on the correlation cricket, and there will be some pre-filled responses. But now let us see what it asks us to do. Okay, we need to say hello. We'll say hello, and it says hello, how can I help you? So we're talking about cricket, so we'll say what do you know about cricket. I'll say I'm an expert, no knowledge about worldwide cricket. That's okay. And then we'll ask us, okay, what is Pakistan Super League? Alright, now it'll ask us, okay, it's a T20 cricket league played in Pakistan, but we're not interested in that. We're just doing an Indian Premier League. Okay, that's a pretty descriptive answer. And then we'll ask what it wants us to tell us. So what do you know about Islamabad United? Islamabad that competes in the Pakistan Super League. Okay, that's good. And then who won the Pakistan Super League in 2020? And this may differ for all of you, and that is totally fine. Just copy and paste, and even if you don't do this, you can use your own questions to just run through it. That's fine. So who won the Pakistan Super League in 2020? I have no idea. Okay, Multan Sultans. Okay, alright. But now, what can you tell me? My favorite team. What can you tell me about CSK? Tell me something good about it. Okay, let's see. Is in Chennai Super League like Tamil Nadu? That's fine. And who won the IPL in? Okay, let me just type that. Who won IPL in 2023? So it might not have all the data that you need, but you can train it on the way you want it to. So okay, it does not yet know who won it. Okay, that's nice. It really doesn't know. So you are now increasing the knowledge of the Indian Super League. So this particular chatbot was trained on Pakistan Super League. So it told us that it was won by Multan Sultans, but it's not trained on IPL. So it doesn't really know much about it. That's fine. And now we'll improve its knowledge. What is important to know about Pakistan Super League? Okay. Alright, let's just paste this. Okay. PCB. Alright. Who's the most famous person associated with Islamabad United? Misbah ul Haq, Shadab Khan. Alright, okay. Shahid Afridi. That's good. Can you itemize 5 things about him? About Islamabad United? Okay, it doesn't really know about it. That's fine. but can you write something about it? Islamabad United. All right, that's really amazing. Now we need to take an assessment. So now when this is done, feel free to check if it is really trained on that, and if it's not trained, you can actually tell it that if this is the thing, and if you just do your experiments. This is not really necessary for completing the labs, but if you want to do it, you can do that. Now we'll come to the assess part, and then when we are here, which data was used in this lab. So in this lab, it was Pakistan Super League, and congratulations on successfully completing the lab. And now when you've done that, you can check your progress, and it is say incomplete. If it does for you, just refresh this again, and just go back to the assess part, click Pakistan Super League, click submit, and then come back and then check my progress, and this time it should work. So this might happen for you, but this should work. All right, now this is completed. Now what? Go ahead, chat with all of this. You can see what it is like knowledgeable about. What do you know about football? They call it soccer in America. Okay, they know it. What is Premier League? Okay, it's the top level of the English Football League system. What is Champions League? Let's see if it knows. What is UEFA Champions League? Okay, it knows. That is an amazing thing. So you can obviously chat and see if it gives you the response you want, but this is all from the video, and then you can complete this lab. But if you want a deeper explanation, you can there's nothing to explain here. It's just trained on some data, and you can train the data again if you want to, but it gives you something like this. So this is what it is. And if you want to build something like this, like something of a chatbot or something like this, I'll be more than happy to tell you how to build something like this, and that would be amazing. I know this should be a project that we should do. So definitely I'll be making it happen, but after Cloud Jam. Alright, so thank you so much, and this is all from the video. You can end the lab now. So it'll take some time. I'll rate it, I'll click submit, and now okay, the lab is done. I'll just click and see if it's completed. Yeah, so 2 more left. So okay, I'll see you in the next video.